Hi and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create your own DLL file. This file is used like a reference. I can show you. All of these files are DLL files originally, but they are already existing in the framework. So how we create a DLL file is by adding a method as a starter. So I'm just going to create a calculator and going double number. So since C# is case sensitive when coming to creating your own values, you can use the same name with uppercases and lower cases. So this method gets a error since we are not returning anything. So we can start by return number plus number. This would create a calculator with the method of plussing at two values together. So we can create a -2. So go minus here, and that's everything we need to create a extremely basic calculator, since we're not going to create a very strong one. So in my version you can go show all files, bin, and as you can see there are no other files than debug and object. But if you go up to debug or build, as in 2000 Express edition, I think it's the previous one of this, you go build and build solution. In 210th version it's debug and build. Now you saw that it added the code library as a DLL file here, since it's a class. So go save all, code library, and it's done. Now I'm going to attach it here. So now go new project and create a new project of any kind. Now we need to import the DLL file that we recently created by going to which was this one, and code library. And we are not done really yet. We need to apply it here too, and now we're done. Since we are going to return a value, we need to write it. So just go console.writeLine, sorry, and go class1.addUp, and go for any kind of mathematical value that you can come up with. I can go with P, which is 3.141, and yes, 999.3. When you are in programming stage, as in the program that you program in, you always use a dot as a comma. I don't know which the English word for it is. You don't use this, you use this. And that's because it's going to become a comma in the software later, so you don't do it here. And console.readKey. And since we created a minus version 2, we are going to go for minus. Class 1 was the name of the class inside the DLL file, so that's why it's class and not anything else. You can create a other name for it, but then you have to create another name for the class that you are currently working inside. So in this case, if we made a DLL out of this, it would be program and then the method name. And this is everything we need, so I think we're going to go for a smaller amount here. So let's go. And as you can see, we got a very precise result of the mathematical solution. And yeah, that is how you create your own code library. If you have any requests, or if you are unsure of how anything works, please PM me or leave a comment on this video. And keep on subscribing, and if you enjoyed this video, please rate it and comment.